A very good day to all of you. In chapter 1 Internet Basics, today we discuss the term www and the difference between www and internet, because there is a lots of doubt for student that www and internet are same thing or different. So here we discuss the term www and their differences. First, www. Full form of www is World Wide Web. World Wide, that along the all over world, and web, that means a net, that is जाल. एक ऐसा जाल जो वर्ल्ड वाइड में स्प्रेड है या फिर फैला हुआ है, दैट मीन्स दैट इज www. It was introduced by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. First, we have lots of confusion that www and internet are same thing, or what we have to access through internet, that is only done by internet, or www. So www is a set of programs, standards and protocol from these things that we have to able to access hypertext files, multimedia that are linked to each other on the internet. That means www क्या है आपका, that is a set of, एक ऐसा ग्रुप है किस चीज़ का, प्रोग्राम, स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड प्रोटोकॉल का, जिसके थ्रू we have to access information with the help of medium internet. And which type of data we have to access, that is hypertext files, multimedia files that are linked to each other, and we access these files or folder or multimedia things through the help of internet. So here we see that all the hypertext file and multimedia that is provided by www, and internet is the network of networks, that is a networking infrastructure. Through that we have to access the information from www. In other words, we say that www is a system of internet server that support hypertext and multimedia files, and we have to access through internet all the hypertext files and multimedia. Now, difference between www and internet. First, www is a way of access information over the medium of internet, और हम कह सकते हैं कि www एक ऐसा वे है जिससे हम इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, और किसके ओवर, और किसके मीडियम के थ्रू, इंटरनेट. So www is a way of access information. And in the sense of internet, we say that internet is a large network of networks. In previous video, we also discussed on in internet. Second, www uses HTTP protocol to transmit data. HTTP protocol. We see when we have to access any of the information through internet on a web browser, that we see that there is a URL that is start from HTTP protocol. That means कि web uses HTTP protocol for all rules and regulation that maintains the transmission of the data. In respective sense, internet does so via a variety of language known as protocol. Internet uses lots of protocols for their work, and that is TCP/IP, ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल, या हम कह सकते हैं इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. थर्ड one is it was created by Tim Berners-Lee. As we previously discussed. And internet, there is no such creator. No creator, because it is a network of networks. Where different networks are connected to each other to form internet. So there is no creator. www is a dynamic network through which variety of different method and protocol. That means www आपको यहाँ पे क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? डिफरेंट स्टैंडर्ड्स, प्रोटोकॉल, programs, that is set of this term. But internet provide the only structure. It provide the structure. And here are different methodologies and protocol were used. So this way, these are the difference between www and internet. And here we have to clarify that www is a way of access information through internet. That means internet is a medium through which we have to access information from www, and it is a set of programs, standards and protocols. I hope you got proper way.